Okay.
Yeah.
I'm videoing it. So now you want. Now you'll all be able to more. We'll post it on YouTube later.
Okay.
Okay. So there are two parts to programming the system. There's programming the actual what I might want a typical day to look like, and then there's assigning the day, that schedule to a particular day. So there are a number of programs already stored here. For example, one that turns the system on at 5 a.m. in the morning and turns it off at 11 o'clock at night. It's just running the whole day. Okay. Another one will be it's off the whole day. And there are, one for Friday, for example, kicks it on at 3 o'clock and off at 11 o'clock at night. So there are different schedules that you would have for different particular days. In general, the schedule it's not like your regular home system. It's a range that's being set. So if it hits below a certain number, the heat goes on. If it hits above a certain number, the air conditioning goes on. That the minimum amount of degrees in that range is 4 degrees. So I can either have it 68.72 or 69.73. You have to be very careful because while the blower is blowing the whole time, if the air conditioning, if you're waiting to 74, 75 degrees, people say, oh, set it to 72. Well, it's not like that. It's not just set it to 72. It's 72 sort of means 68, 72, 69, 73, but 73 is very warm for the air conditioning to come on, right? So, and of course, we've always aired on being colder than warmer, but that's a long history. There are two sets you have to program. A is upstairs, B is downstairs, okay? So the first thing you do is you hit the network, okay? And this is showing you the upstairs and the downstairs. The middle is the makeup air, which we do not use. It's always off. That's why it's in standby. Right now, this is just a summary of what's going on. You can see that the first one, which is downstairs, is set. It's right now 70 degrees. It's set for 56.84. That's the wide range. That's effectively off. And then the upstairs it's 72 degrees. It's set for 67.71. And you see it knows it's 72 degrees, so it's cooling to try to bring it down to 71. Okay? So we click on main, and now we have our panel menu. We go into network setup menu. Oops, sorry, not network setup menu. We go to select. Sorry, I picked the wrong button. And we're going to do the programming menu. That's the select button. These are all soft keys on the bottom. Now I'm going to create the day schedule for the HVAC. Okay, so this is what I said before. This is different schedules. So schedule 1 says at 5:40 a.m. it's 66.71. At 11 p.m. it goes back to 56.84. Schedule 2 says at 2:50 p.m., like for the winter, it goes at 67.70, and 11:55 p.m. it goes back to 56.84. Okay, these are all preset. We don't have to do this, but if you look at the buttons on the bottom, if I hit select, it's going to allow me to edit. There's an edit right here. It's going to allow me to edit, and I can change any of these settings. Anytime you're setting the settings, when the building is occupied, you need to set the building as occupied. Okay, that's part of the code. Well, the air handler needs to be running when the building is being occupied. So regardless,
where do you set that? It's
right here. See, it's the OCP.
Oh.
And then I can just change it up or down. Okay. And no matter what the temperature is, hot, cold, whatever it is, when the building is occupied, that needs to be set to yes. And that's what's causing the air handler to run.